Good day everyone. I am Ardiza Padapat, a student from BSIT Block 3D. Today, I will present my activity for the app redesign project. In this presentation, I will first show the original design that I created before. Here is the design that I created before. Then, the original design made by my partner. And finally, my redesigned version of my partner's app called Coffee Brew Management System. This system helps coffee shop owners manage their menu, inventory, orders, and sales report. In my redesign, I focus on improving the appearance, layout, and user experience, using warm coffee tones to make the interface look modern, organized, and easy to use. Dito, per page, explain ko sa inyo yung mga nilagay at mga idinagdag ko. Dito sa homepage, bali wala na akong nilagay. Inayos ko na lang siya, sinentered ko itong logo. And then ito, itong mga buttons, inayos ko siya, pinalaki ko siya, and then dito, binaba ko siya konti, and dito, nilagay ko para mas maayos tignan at mas malinis. Next is the dashboard page. I placed the logo at the top and organized the main four buttons. Menu, orders, inventory, and sales report. This design makes navigate faster and more user-friendly, allowing easy access to each feature. Ito siya. Nayos ko lang din siya. Ito siya dati. Pinagitna ko siya itong dashboard. Nilagyan ko siya ng ganyan. And ibinaba ko. At may inalis ako dito. Ito. Inalis ko siya. Para mas maayos tignan. Next page. Menu page. Here is the menu page. I added product images with names, descriptions, and also price, such as Americano coffee. I also included a scroll view, allowing users to browse through multiple coffee items smoothly. Ito siya. Ito yung scroll view niya. Dito ka mamimili ng mga yung order mo. Ito yung mga menu. Nandito din yung name ng mga coffee, and then price and description. Next is order page. This is the order page. I display the order details in a clean table format showing order ID, customers, and item. Ito siya. Number ID nila. And then, yung name ng mga customers. And then, yung items. Then, meron din dito yung add order. Gumamit ulit ako dito ng scroll view para sa add order. Ito siya. Nandito din yung name ng coffee. Gusto mong i-order. And then yung description. Then yung price. And add order. This makes the interface more interactive, realistic, and convenient for user when viewing the coffee menu. Next is inventory page. For the inventory page, I use a simple table layout that shows item, category, quantity, and unit. Ito siya. Ito yung item. Coffee, beans, sugar, milk, caramel syrup. Category, raw material, sweetener, dairy, and flavoring. Quantity, 5, 6, 10, and 5, and kilogram. The design is clean and well organized, helping user track supplies easily and monitor available stocks accurately. Lastly, sales report. Nilagay ko lang ulit yung logo. Sinenter ko. Ito, nilagay ko ulit yung sales report dito. And then yung logo din ng sales report. Sales report represent the totals coffee sales. Ito siya. And sales insights, such as the best-selling coffee, highest income items, slow-moving items, and peak sales day. It improves useful information that helps owner analyze performance and make better business decisions. Here is the difference between of my redesigned and the original version. Sales report. My redesigned version of the coffee brew management system provides more modern, consistent, and user-friendly design. The improved layout, added scroll view, and balanced color scheme make the system are attractive and easier to use for coffee shop management. Thank you for listening my presentation.